So today we're going to be drawing Sonic, so let's start. First we draw, Knuckles, so let's start. So first we draw a tiny circle, then we draw the eyes, then we do that to the same side, and then we close the eyes, just like this. And now we make the cheeks. Then we make an angry face. And then we're going to draw the hair, just like this. And we're going to do that to the other side, just like this. Now we're going to draw the belly, and inside of that we're going to draw the tummy, and now we're going to draw his hands, just like this. And we're going to draw another hand, but smashing down with the fist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to draw the tail and whatever these spikes are. Now we're going to draw the legs. He's going to be jumping to destroy the Chaos Emerald. I'm going to draw the souls now. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. We're going to fold the other side, just like this. And now we're going to draw a Chaos Emerald right there. Now we're going to get the green and color it in. Now we're going to draw inside of that tummy. And now we're going to color in the cheeks, just like this. Now we're going to close the wings and get the purple. But I'm just going to get black instead. Then I'm going to do this. And now we're gonna get that back together. And now we're gonna punch out. He punched through it. Hope you liked the video. See you next week and don't forget to subscribe.